Hey everybody, welcome back to Cool X. In this video, I want to talk about the DJI Mic Mini. So right here, you see I have two different kits going on right now. And these kits are a very good value for entry-level YouTubers or someone that just wants to step up their game where it comes to recording. And let me just show you the two different kits they have out there. So the two different kits they have out here is they have the first kit, which is $45 on sale, originally $55. And this kit comes with your DJI Mic Mini, your charger, the transmitter with a USB-C adapter on it. This is the magnet for your DJI Mic Mini, put on your lapel or in your shirt. You get another Deadcat, that's ×2. You get a USB-A to USB Type-C ×2, and then you get a 3.5mm cable. This is a nice kit. That's what I started out with. Like I said, it's $55, and you get this pretty little bag to hold it in too. The other kit that they just came out with just recently, which I've been really impressed with, I've used most of these things in here, is the DJI Mic Mini with the mobile receiver. And the nice thing about this particular kit, if you notice right down here, you get your pretty little bag also. But they have two different mics now. So it's two mics, and oh my gosh, what a value, ×2. It's great. You have your two chargers, you have your two magnets. You have the same type of cable setup with USB-A to USB Type-C to charge them both at the same time. And you have your mobile receiver. And let's not forget about each one. They have your instructions with a sticker for DJI Mic Mobile. Both of these kits work just fine where it comes to your Osmo Pocket series. Like this is a DJI Pocket 3. And this is a DJI Osmo Nano. And then I have an iPhone 16 Pro. The great thing about both these kits is they work with all these devices right here, plus some more. And the difference is between the two of them is that you only get one right here and you get two right here, then you get this transmitter right here. So if you're more of a camera user, truly, this is probably the kit you want to get. But if you're an iPhone user or things like that, this is the kit that I would probably skip. But that's how it kind of clicks into it, and it clicks into your phone to actually get the audio out. Well, the Mic Mobile Receiver does the same identical thing. This is not really used for the cameras too much, but you just plug this bad boy straight into your phone just like this. And the nice thing about the mobile kit is it does have pass-through charging for your phone, and it's pretty simple to put in there. Plus, it's upgradable. What I mean by upgradable, it does use you use this same mobile receiver for the DJI Mic Mini, the DJI Mic 2, the DJI Mic 3, the DJI Mic Mini 2s. They all work with this receiver. So there's a very nice upgrade path. So let me just show you a couple different options right here. The nice thing about this DJI Mic Mini is that you can actually stop recording with pressing the record button pretty much, and then you can actually take the noise cancellation on and off with this. So let me just show you exactly what I'm talking about. So right here, if you want to start recording, what you do is you just hit your button and it will start recording on your DJI Osmo series. And if you want to turn off and on the noise cancellation, you do it right here. You'll have a little yellow light. So I'll kind of show you, but I am using DJI Mic Mini right now for this whole video, and I do have noise cancellation on. So I did get this magnet and I'm using it from this right here. But once again, you just press this button right here and you'll see that the little yellow light's on. If you press it again, it turns it off. So now I do not have noise cancellations for the video, and you can probably hear all the different noises back here. So I have a fan, I have some birds out there, I have an air conditioning in the back. It is directional, but when it comes to noise cancellation, truly, let me just turn that back on for you. And you'll notice if I hit it again, my yellow light pops back on. So the reason why the noise cancellation is pretty nice is because it's more for ambient sound. I don't know if I would actually use this mic where it goes to going to the bar, because I don't think you're going to be able to get the music out of there. And like I said, it's for ambient. Where it comes to loud noises, it is directional, but it's catching everything around you. But that's the noise cancellation with using with the DJI Osmo. But the other cool thing about it is when you get it hooked up to your phone right here. Let me see if I have another one right here. But what you'll see is you'll see OLH. That's off, low, and high. So when you just do it with the Osmo Pocket series and you just click the button on the mic itself, what happens is that's just the basic noise cancellation. So you can actually go through and actually do it with 1, 2, or 3, or 0, 1, and 2, and it just connects into your phone. So let me just show you how it connects into your phone. It's pretty simple right there too. So with your phone, what you're doing is that you're just taking it and you're gonna hold it down. And what you do is you'll see it's actually blinking. So when it's blinking green, you turn on your mic and you hold down the pairing button. So I'm gonna hold down the pairing button real quick, and it's gonna do the blue and yellow. And then if you notice, it just actually started connecting. My phone is recording with this, and I have no noise cancellation on at all. So let's start recording with this bad boy with it working. So sorry about the mess, but realistically, this is what it sounds like with me recording on the Mini and in my iPhone. And once again, that's not up at my chest very well, but this is where it's up to my chest. And the other thing is I have no noise cancellation on where it comes to this mic. So now if I just flip it to low, so this is with low noise cancellation on where it comes to your phone, and it does a pretty good job. And then you have high cancellation in it. So when I hear the high cancellation, you'll probably hear it sounding a little more computer generated, but it does a little bit better where it comes to taking more of the ambient noise away. So this is with the high noise cancellation on. Once again, it starts sounding a little bit differently, but you cannot really hear too many background noises. But it works really, really well, and I'm just gonna flip it off really quick. Flipped it off to no noise cancellation. So right now, this is no noise cancellation. You can probably hear everything. But it works really, really well where it comes to the mobile receiver. And once again, I'm gonna switch back to this particular camera that you're seeing right here hanging up, and you'll hear the difference with me not messing with anything. But you guys, I truly believe that these things are a great value. You can't beat either one of these packages for the money. I mean, for $45, I feel like they're giving you away, and they're actually helping you step up your game. But everybody, I hope this video helped you where it comes. I actually even connecting it and doing the noise cancellation on this, or even just using it for your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. But this is a great value for what you get. I mean, you guys right here, I mean, just a phenomenal deal. It's a little bit messy now, but you can get either one of these kits right here, you guys. Like I said, this is my favorite kit right here. Both of these kits you can pick up for $45 or $55 when they're not on sale. Just a phenomenal deal. Thank you, DJI, for making this happen where it comes to any entry-level YouTuber can actually just step up their game where it comes to this little bitty mic. But everybody, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.